Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a cartoon animation using Canva. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Elements, and then we're going to search Cartoon Street. We're going to go to Graphics and select whichever image we want. So you can search through. Okay, so I'm going to go with this one. Okay, so now we're going to go back to the search bar. We're going to search walking. Now we're going to go back to the search bar. We're going to select right here. Once we select that, we're going to go where it says animation and we're going to select animated. We're going to go to graphics. Select whichever graphic you want. I'm going to work with this one. Okay, so we're going to go to animate. We're going to select create an animation. Now we're going to hold shift and drag the person. And we're going to select steady. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more.